Hi babes, how are you doing? Hopefully you're good. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do DIY braided twist for your baby girl or for yourself. And I'll be using Brazil wool. But yo, this is something so cute. Can you see? So, guys, if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate your love and your support. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Tui, and before I leave, kindly give this video a big thumb up, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. I'll be using Brazil wool, and then you may decide to go ahead with the length you want. You may either decide more longer or short. It's all up to you. This is hair tag. I got it from local supplier, but you have to make sure you get that stretched hair tie, and then I attach it over here. But you may either decide to put on floor or to put on the table. It's all up to you. You don't need this manicure. So each section I'll be using 7 strands, but you may either decide to use 10, you may either decide to use 5, depending on how bigger you want. So if your baby girl has fewer hair, of course you may either go ahead to use 5 or 4 in each twist. And then make sure the wool they're not even, because you want size from bigger to thin to show natural. And then before I make twist, I make sure I roll like 3-4 times. After I make sure the wool is well rolled, then I start to make twists. Of course, I do regular twists. You have to roll and twist, and at this point you don't need to roll too tight. Just go ahead, make sure your hands are relaxed, and then roll and twist, roll and twist. Then I'll keep going till in the end of this twist. You may either decide to go ahead and secure in the end, or you may either decide to just leave the end without secure, because in the end of this video I'll be showing you how to make these twists to be extra cute. So this is how the twist looks like. I make sure the wools are not even, and then I start roll and twist, roll and twist. As you see, the first twist I secure in the end. So here I want to show you another method that you even can braid tail in the end without to secure, and the wool does not unravel. So I keep going, I keep roll and twist till in the end. So after I reach the size of the first twist, I'll just leave it like this way, and then let me go to do the last twist. So then I'll be showing you guys how you can add beads in the end of your twist to make them look extra cute and beautiful. So I'll repeat exactly the same process. I'll be using the same 7 strands, and before I start to make twists, I make sure I roll the wool and twist while my hands are very relaxed. And then I'll keep going till in the end, and then I will not secure this twist in the end. I'll just leave them just like that way, and then later when I add beads, I'll measure again and make sure all of them they are the same size. So here we have done with twists. These are the kind of beads I'm gonna use. You also need crochet needle, and you need scissors to trim off all the excess wool. And each twist, I'll be using 3 beads. And then here I'll be showing you 2 methods. The first method, you may either decide to use rubber band method. So if you're using rubber band method, after you put the beads, then go ahead and use rubber band, then secure the last bead with elastic band, then trim all the excess wool or excess braid to make sure everything they are clean and neat. Honestly, I don't like this method because the last one shows a little bit bent. I like to use this second method because makes these beds look like more beautiful, and it's so hard to know like how do I pull them in and how to secure, and everything look cute and they look straight. So as you can see, the second twist, I make sure I measure with the first one to make sure all of them they are the same size, and then I go ahead. And then after I measure the sides, I go ahead and secure. You need a lighter. So after you secure, make sure you keep a bigger space when you trim off the wool, because later when I burn this end, I want to make a bigger knot so that I can make sure the beads does not come out. One more time, take out your 3 beads, or you may either decide to put 4 or 5, it's all up to you. And then make sure you measure the twist with the previous one to get even twists, and then secure in the end. Just normal way we use to secure. You may either secure twice or 3 times, it's all up to you. But then when you trim, make sure you keep space. Can you see how bigger space I leave when I trim? This is all because when I burn in the end, I'll make sure the knot will be bigger and will seal in these beads, and the beads will not come out. Simple and easy like this way. And I love this method because the beads looks neat and beautiful and does not bend, yet it's cute and beautiful. So here we go with the last one. I'll repeat exactly the same thing. And when you are burning, you have to make sure you wait a bit your wood to become a little bit cool. Don't burn and seal or press it immediately. You'll hurt yourself, and I don't want that. So wait a moment, wait a bit the wool to be a little bit cool after you burn, and then press either with your finger. You may either decide to tap on top with your scissor, whatever. And guys, here we go. This is how this ponytail wig looks like. It's so cute. But if you're wondering like how to use it, let me show you how you can use it. This is stretched hair tie. You may either decide to put aside in case you find hair tie just like mine, and then there you can attach on yourself or on your baby girl's hair. And guys, this is the final look for today's video. Hopefully you find this video useful. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumb up because it helps more people to find this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.